G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. Today I've got something fabulous to show you. I'm at Parravans at Windsor, and this behind me is an Atlantic Endeavour 19 foot. It's got a couple of fabulous features. This is a touring van, so it's fabulous. Your 2 gas bottles are built in. You've also got, this is Australian steel. As you come around here, this is all Australian. This is all Australian aluminium. So you're really looking after the locals. That's a lovely thing to do. Have a look in here because this tunnel boot, oh, it's immense. Immense storage. Have a look up here. The size of the awning, that's a lovely, lovely awning size to have. You've got the LED lights, you've got the tinted glass, you've got the speakers for your sound system, and then when you're entertaining, oh, how easy is this? There's your picnic table, already built, already done in. At the same time, your TV just fits straight in here. You've got 12 volt over here. So you've got USB, you've got 12 volt, the TV antenna. TV antenna's already built in, solar's already built in. This is your outside lighting. I just turned it on a moment ago. That's your outside lighting. But importantly, you've got extra safety lamps down here built into your step. That's a nice feature. So I'm going to take you inside. Are you ready? Because this is terrific. Oh, you're gonna love this. Everyone loves a lovely bathroom. This is a lovely bathroom. Firstly, you've got a full shower here. Great shower. Then there's storage here, storage there, storage over there, a beaut toilet with window, and then you've got an exhaust fan and lighting and storage above here and LED lighting again, and a full mirror plus your vanity. Then when you come through, oh, freezer here, fridge there, and then you come through to the kitchen. Everyone loves a beautiful kitchen, but everyone loves storage, don't they? They do. Now have a look here. You've got beaut storage up here. This is a surprise because in here is your battery plus 35. That does all your battery monitoring. It looks after everything for you. It's smart connect ready. It's done. Tick. Then you've got your microwave oven. You've got your exhaust fan. And then more cabinetry here, more cabinetry there, and your sound system. Sound system is wonderful because that goes in here and also outside. Fabulous bench area, beautiful sink, nice drain area. When you come down here, you've got big cabinetry here. This one's a nice little surprise as well because it's a slide out. Clever, clever, clever. This is your bedroom wing. Now your bedroom wing, you've got 2 separate bedrooms. I told you this was clever, but 2 separate bedrooms. Now storage here, storage here. Now each of these is an individual wardrobe, and then you've got your hand-through pod. So when you put your book away over night time, if you want to plug in your devices, it's all there. So you've got 240 hole, and then you've got 12 volt, and you've got USB. It's all done. Tick, tick, tick. Here is where it gets really clever. This table, oh, it's fabulous. So again, you can slide it out, you can slide it in, you can go left, you can go right. And the extra thing that it does, it goes down, the extra cushion comes along, and you've got an extra sleeping area there for another person, an adult. If you want to find out more, you go to Parravans. Just give them a phone call, send them an email, Parravans. They'll help you get on holidays.